ganda ng bagong background natin, guys. Gawa ni Mami Omni yan. Anyway, hello there, Clingers. Welcome back to another episode of Ask Omni and Bryce. For today's video, we're gonna be unboxing a new vlogging baby of ours. Kita niyo naman yung mga ngiti sa aking mata. Hindi ako sure kung nakikita yung sa liit niyan. Pero I'm excited for this because today, we're gonna be unboxing the Feiyu G6 Max Gimbal. Pero bago tayo patuloy sa ating video, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for always coming back. Maraming salamat. I hope you're doing great today. But if this is your first time to see me, my name is Bryce of Omni and Bryce, and together with our kids, we are hashtag TheClingyFam. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and make sure that you hit the notification bell para updated kayo tuwing may bago kaming video. And also, let's stay connected. Let's be friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Omni and Bryce. So basically, we're family vloggers, but we're also vlogging coaches. I say we kasi kami ni Mami yon. We do vlogging workshops through School of Vlogging PH. If you want to learn how to start or up your game in vlogging, go ahead and follow School of Vlogging PH on Instagram and on Facebook. And I think that's also the very reason why pinadala ni Feiyutech Philippines itong G6 Max Gimbal. I'll be honest, this is my first gimbal, pero nakatry naman ako kahit paano sa mga gimbal ng mga kaibigan natin dyan. So bago tayo magpatuloy, parang dami kong bago tayo magpatuloy, no? Please follow Feiyutech Philippines. You can also follow the global account, which is Feiyutech Global. Para if ever may questions kayo about this product, you can ask them directly. Okay, so let's take a look at the box first. Sabi dito, pwede siya sa pocket camera, action camera, nakikita niyo ba? And action camera, and also for smartphone. So dun pa lang, actually sa part na yon, masaya na ako kasi ibig sabihin, kung ako ay nag-start na mag-vlog, hindi ko kailangan bumili ng iba't ibang gears para sa iba't ibang klase ng camera. So it's like 3-in-1. Ano makikita dito? Wala na. So let's unbox it. Siyempre dahil ito ay bago, gusto ko bago din yung cutter na gamitin ko. Ba't ka tumatawa dyan, Mami?
Kailangan bago na.
Yes, oo. Ako lang yung luma sa video na to. Bago rin yung background. Medyo bago to upuan. Oy, ang ganda ng cup, by the way. Kaso nga lang sobrang laki ng mukha ko kasi. Baka kailangan mo tayong sponsor ni Bello. Bago natin masuot yung cup nila. And actually, sa personal, gusto ko naman siya. Pero sa video, iba yung itsura. Ingat ako dito kasi may nasira na ako sa unboxing namin before. Kumusta kayo guys ngayong season na to? I know it's tough. It's tough times for all of us. But, yeah, go ahead and vlog at home. Gusto ko yun na, vlog at home. Actually, yun yun eh. Kaya ako excited about this kasi I'm the kind, guys, ng content creator. Yes, content creator po ako, hindi lang halata. Okay. I'm the kind... Ay, naka-shirt pala akong content creator. Ayan. I'm the kind na kahit nasa bahay lang, gusto ko maganda pa rin yung mga videos. So I think malaking bagay ito para stabilize na yung mga videos na i-upload namin in the future or in the next vlog. Sabi dito, Feiyu Gimbal, the expert of image stabilization. Okay, dahan-dahan syempre. Dahan-dahan lang. Let's see what's inside. Are you ready, guys? Wow, parang yung tools ko lang nakasumakadali tools na to. And merong CD. Joke lang, wala ng CD. Display natin dito sa likod, parang naman maganda. Sayang yung box, ang ganda-ganda eh. And alam nyo ba, itatago ko tong box na to, guys. Baka nagkatanong kayo, bakit nag-unbox ako direct from this? Kasi tinanggal ko na yung mga wrap niya from, ang tawag doon, sa courier. Siyempre, it was a virus. Sa atin pwede ilagay ito, Mami. Hindi. Tagalin mo itong cup, no? Kung YouTube dito. Ayan. Okay. So, let's check what this is. It's for more information, contact details. Okay, so yung mga sinabi ko na rin kayo. Meron din pa silang YouTube channel, guys. Feiyutech. Feiyutech. For YouTube. We won't go through this anymore kasi unboxing na naman itong gagawin natin. Off the air lang ako magbabasa. There's a warranty card and there's a hello card. Hello card. No, hello envelope. Baka may cash, wala ba? Of course, thank you so much Feiyutech for sending this, especially Feiyutech Philippines. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala. Ayan, alam niyo naman guys, hindi naman ako taga-techie, tech vlogger, di ba? Pero they send this to us. Kasi nga, siguro din, isa sa mga na-enjoy namin as vlogging coaches ni Mami is yung pag-recommend na mga gears na ginagamit namin. Like from camera, from tripod, and ngayon, first time namin sa gimbal. Ang ganda ng box. Parang siyang styro, pero hindi. Ayun na. Na-open ko na, guys. Nakita niyo ba yung reaction ko? Hindi ko nakita. So, ito siya. Sige, titigan niyo mabuti. So, isa-isayin natin. Ayan. Kita niyo ba dyan? Teka lang. Nagyan natin na.
Hindi, siya sa ilalim.
Okay. Buksan natin ulit. Siyempre, dun tayo sa mga basic parts muna niya. Alright. Ito, this one. This is what you call the quick release plate. But basically, in general term, sa gimbal, ito yung tinatawag natin base plate. And then, there's a USB Type-C cable. I think this one is for charging the gimbal. And then, more cables, I think. Hula ko lang. Pero tingnan natin. Ang ganda ng color block sa mga gears talaga, no? Even yung Fujifilm X-A7 namin, yan, dark silver siya. Pero ma-black na actually. Ayan, there are multiple cables. Parang buhok na to ng mga laruan ng mga anak ko, Okay, para saan siya? Isa-isa natin. May mga label naman siya, so hindi kayo malilito. This is Type-C to multi-camera. This one is Type-C to Type-C. Kita nyo ba? Ayan, there's a cable na Type-C to Type-C din. Galing, buti pa sila type nila yung isa't isa. Char. Okay. And there's Type-C to 2.5. Kita nyo ba? And another one is, it says here, 2.5mm. And there's Type-C to micro USB. May patingnan ng phone mo kung magmamatch ko dyan. Ayun. Tatapos tayo sa mga cables. And, ano ba ito meron? Okay. Meron tayong cellphone holder. Nice. Maano siya, ha? Malakas yung grip niya, ha? Okay. Tapos meron tayo nung long screw. Ayan, yung long screw. And of course, para saan? Sa adapter ng ating mga action cam like GoPro. Ano pa ba? GoPro. Tsaka GoPro. GoPro na alam ko action cam, eh. Meron pa lang 4K. Anong tawag doon? Supremo ba yun? O basta, para sa mga action cam, ayan, ready na rin siya. Ano ba ito? Awag ito, mukhang major na yan. And meron din siya kasamang tripod. Perfect. Ibig sabihin, hindi mo lang siya i-handheld. Pwede rin siya nakatayo or nakalapag sa surface like table at kung saan-saan mo pa gustong ilapag ang iyong camera. Nice. And of course, the main thing. I think I can put this down na. And of course, ang pinaka-star ng unboxing niya to, yung body niya mismo ng G6 Max. Ayan, hindi naman siya kabigatan. Ito, hawak ko siya using my left hand. Very manageable. It's nice. Parang feel ko na. Nakagamitin ko siya in the coming days. Alright. Tapos, dito siya. Ayan, nakakabit na. And of course, guys, hindi ko ikukwento sa inyo kung paano siya gamitin kasi hindi ko pa alam kung paano siya gamitin. So I'll spend this evening para aralin siya at paglaruan siya. And maybe I will share with you in the future vlogs or maybe sa IG post. Follow us on Instagram at Omni and Bryce. Doon ako mag-update sa stories. Pero syempre, nag-research din naman ako about this G6 Max gimbal. And what made me excited about it is madali siyang hawakan. Isa yun sa mga gusto ko sa kanya. I can feel na hindi siya basta-basta dudulas. Ang bigat niya pala, guys, is 665 grams. Another thing that I like about this, dahil nga ready siya para sa sports cam, meron siyang tinatawag na flash-proof feature. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng maulanan, pwedeng mabasa. If in case you're using your action cam like your GoPro, okay, shooting outside, tapos maulan kagaya ngayon, it's okay. Hindi siya masisira. Plus, ang maganda sa kanya is compatible din siya sa multicam. In fact, yung mga cables na to, guys, are meant para magamit mo siya sa iba't ibang brands ng camera. But of course, in my case, ang gagamitin ko dito is yung pang Fujifilm. In particular, yung X-A7 na 2.5 jack. Tama ba? 2.5 ba yun? Yes, TRS 2.5. Aside from that, what I like about this is i-charge mo siya for 3 hours only and pwede mo siyang gamitin for 9 hours. Ayan. Yes, my love?
Hi guys!
Can you hold this?
It's not that heavy for me.
Really?
Yeah.
You think you can hold it?
I can hold it with one hand.
It can work with your phone.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Do you know what this is for?
What?
It's for video or image stabilization, meaning hindi shaky yung video.
Every time I hold the tripod, it's a little shaky.
Yeah, when you hold the tripod, it's shaky, yes, but this one, the purpose is to avoid yung pagka-shaky ng video, my love. It's stabilized.
It's not that shaky for me.
Even if it shakes, but since this is designed to stabilize your video, that's okay.
Wait, it does not shake in the video?
Yeah.
What?
We can try that. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also you can share it to your friends who are looking for gimbals or any vlogging gear that might be helpful to them. So once again, my name is Bryce of Omni and Bryce. And together with our kids, we are...
#TheClingyFam.
Always remember to cling on to your dreams because dreams do come true. So fail it till you make it. See you on the next video.
Bye-bye.
Don't you ever